Okay, I just picked up this miter saw stand from Walmart. It seems to be a fairly new product because I couldn't find really many videos or reviews online. So I'll make this one to show you some assembly and give you a quick review. Let's get started. There we go. Assembly seems like it'll be pretty straightforward. Wow, this comes almost completely assembled already. It's fantastic. All right, we have to extend all these four legs. It's hard to do with one hand, so I will do this off camera and come back when all the legs are out. Okay, that was super easy. Let's flip it up. This feels very solid. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the construction. I mean, this is all solid tubular steel here. Really, that's gonna do the job nicely, I think. One thing I did notice is this came cracked, brand new from Walmart. Thank you very much. And this as well. But you know what, it really shouldn't affect anything. I'm okay with it. All right, time for the miter saw mount. Now that'll lock down once I get it in position for my miter saw. All right, I made a mistake. These go in the other way, from the bottom up, not the top down. Okay, that was pretty easy. A little pro tip is to access these ones from the bottom. Just slide the entire miter saw assembly so access to the bolt is in the middle and you're not being blocked by these tubes. So let's tighten those down. These are 1/2 inch. And you're gonna need a deep socket. That should do the trick. Let's lock these puppies down. Okay, I just took down some tree branches over there. So let's give this a shot and cut some wood. Before cutting, just make sure these are nice and tight. You can see, let's see, right there. You gotta get that up nice and snug before we're gonna use the miter saw. Okay, one note, carrying this thing all assembled is a pain in the butt. So just flip those quick attach latches and carry it as 2 separate units. Yeah, I like it. Solid, well constructed for the most part. These quick releases are great. Wish it had wheels, but hey, that would have cost extra. And got this on sale for $50. I would recommend it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.